this one so I can post this one on Canvas. All right, let's go back just one little bit here. Remember, as soon as we start doing one line to divide, we go ahead and separate all the rest of the numbers. Now that we know what to start dividing by, we're going to go, how many times can 5 go into 7? So we'll make a line for each group. 5, the next would be 10, so that's too much. So we do 5, 6, 7. Our 2 dots gets moved over. Our 6 comes down next to the 2. You always bring down that next number to work with. Now we divide 26 by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26. We still got one little dot. We'll move that over here. Bring down our 4. Okay, now we have 14 divided by 5. 5, 10, 15. Oh, can't do 15. That's too much. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now to get our answer, we count up our lines. There's one line under the 7. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines under the 6. And there's 2 lines under the 4. And in this problem, we have these 4 little dots left over down here. There's nothing else up here to use, so those 4 dots become a remainder of 4. 152, remainder of 4. There's some leftovers there. Anybody got a question about any of those?